TikTok SEO is actually extremely simple, and today I'm going to teach you how to easily rank your videos in 5 simple steps, which will allow you to rank your videos so that your dream customers and followers consistently find your videos. More and more people are using TikTok as a search engine to find things they're looking for and to make purchasing decisions, making a huge opportunity for you. And TikTok actually recently just changed the character limit within captions from 300 to 2200, and they did this deliberately to give you more of an opportunity to give them the right information to help you rank your videos within search. But to do that, you need to know what to include and where to include it. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is think about the keywords or keyword that you actually want your video to rank for. And that's really straightforward. What is the thing that if someone's typing it in, you want them to find your video? For this whole video, we're gonna go through a hypothetical example where I'm trying to rank a video for the best food in Toronto, because our focus is really gonna shape everything that we do in the 5 steps that come. The first thing to consider is actually the audio of the video. TikTok uses AI to go through and listen to every word that is said within that video. They're scraping through trying to listen to what is being said to figure out what that video is about and who to show it to. There's a reason you can automatically add captions to the content. It's because they're listening. So be thoughtful with the words you're using and the language you're using. Think about the keywords you're trying to rank for and try to actually say them and say things associated with them in the actual video. This will help you rank your videos. Step number 2 is to include a title on the screen with on-screen text. And you can do this right on TikTok just using their text feature. When people come to a video, they instantly read the headline. So you want to make sure that you have a headline that includes the keyword you're trying to target and is written like a title or a headline. It should grab someone's attention to tell them that they're in the right place and what they can expect to get from watching this video. So for my example of the best food in Toronto, my title might be something like the 5 best food spots in Toronto, too good to miss. Something like that. You want to think about something that not only tells them they're in the right place, but also encourages them to stay and watch the whole video. TikTok's also using this to help determine where to rank content. The next step is the actual caption of the video. Like I mentioned previously, they just changed the character limit from 300 to 2200 to help you with TikTok SEO. So within this caption, you want to include the keywords you're trying to rank for. So again, for me, I would actually want to include the word best food in Toronto if that's what I'm trying to rank for. I would also want to include other relevant keywords that are associated with my target focus and any other language that may be relevant to that. I want to include as many relevant words and keywords in the actual caption because TikTok scrapes through all of this to determine relevancy and where to put this video. But it's really important not to just stuff keywords into your caption because you don't want to come across like a robot. Instead, what you want to do is authentically include or drop keywords wherever you can while writing a caption that actually provides value to the person who's looking for this video. So think about ways that you can actually make this video better through providing more context or information while also sprinkling in the keywords that you would love to rank for. And an extra pro tip with this one is think about how captions actually show up when people are scrolling through TikTok. They can only see the first few lines. So you want to be very thoughtful about the words that you actually put in there that encourages people to watch the video or read the whole caption. You want to capture as much attention as possible and use every bit of real estate that you have strategically. So think about that headline piece and take advantage of that opportunity. Step 4 is actually also in the caption, but it's the hashtags that you would use on the content. And hashtags on TikTok are extremely straightforward. Use highly relevant hashtags that are very specific to the content. Also include the keywords that you are trying to rank for. So again, I would use hashtag best food in Toronto. I would aim to use around 5 hashtags on your content, and they should all be super relevant to your focus and what you're trying to rank for. This is another tool for discovery and also another thing that TikTok reads through to determine where to rank videos for search. So be thoughtful about the hashtags you're using. Don't overuse them and only use highly relevant hashtags that actually go along with your ranking goals. If you do all those things and you make a solid video, you have a very strong chance of ranking within search. But to stay ranking in search, your video needs to perform well once it's actually ranking. And to do that, you need to successfully accomplish step number 5. And that is to make an awesome cover image or thumbnail for that TikTok video. Because when people type in a keyword, let's say for our example, it's best food in Toronto, they're gonna be presented with multiple cover images of videos. And you wanna make sure that yours is the most enticing and relevant to that person in this situation, because that's gonna make them pick your video over another option. And TikTok is tracking all of these things. So you wanna be very thoughtful about the actual cover image that you provide over top of that video. This is gonna play a huge role, not just with the ranking of the video, but how long it stays ranking. So much like I've mentioned before with the actual headline on the video in text and the first line of the caption, you wanna be thoughtful about how can I make this touch point as impactful as possible. Think about the person in this situation. How can I really pique their interest and put that right in front of them so they pick our video over our competitors? And the best way to get better at this is to go actually type things in within TikTok, use it like a search engine, and see the videos that are ranking there and look at which ones you would click or tap because you're on your phone, and then figure out what what actually made you want to watch that video over the other options. There's gonna be common elements, common words that are used, common stylings and imagery, and then you can use those in your videos to give you a way better chance of ranking and staying ranking because people pick your video. And luckily, that's how simple TikTok SEO is right now. And with this increased focus of search within TikTok, more and more opportunity is being given to creators that do target for search. So this is a huge priority, and it should be for you. It can give you a massive opportunity to grow not only your following, but also your customer base or client base. Whatever your focus is, you can find the right people at the right time if you use TikTok SEO effectively. And it is as simple as those 5 steps that I just mentioned. So whenever you're going through making your videos, make a little checklist of those 5 steps and make sure you're doing each one of them effectively to rank for your target keywords. And if you want more videos like this one to help you reach the right people and grow on social, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because that's all we do here. We help you grow, we help you reach more people and do it in less time. And if you're struggling with TikTok currently, this video right here will help you out tremendously. We walk through our favorite brands that are crushing it on TikTok and break down why their strategies are so effective to help you with yours. So go ahead and click that video. I'll see you over there. You're gonna love it. Peace.